Hello, welcome back. So, till now we have created the product saga, which is this thing. Okay, we have created the reducer for our product, which is this. Okay, and we have created the action for our products, which is this. Now, close the file section. Okay, now product item, no. So, we will make immediately a custom screen to check this all. Okay, so this is saga, this is reducer, and this is action. You can see here written action, reducer, and sagas. Okay, so inside the app I will make, first let's comment this out, stack screen, no. Okay, get products. Okay, I will get this file. Initial route is practice. Okay, so this will only open. Now let's import this from screens. Where is the screens, and then get products.js. Okay, now let's create this screens products.js. Okay, let's make React Native export function. Okay, so now what I'm planning to do is first let's display this. It is not showing. Why? I'm get products. Such a get products was the name. Let's modify this products. Okay, so cool. So now this is coming. So what I'm planning to do is I will create a button here which on being clicked will fetch all the products of that category. Okay, so category and all will be hard coded. So inside the products, first let's create a button, the React Native. Okay, let's delete this, make it a single closing tag. Okay, so title needs to be there if I remember correctly. Title is jewelry. Okay, you get all the things mentioned inside the jewelry. Let's check our fake API is open here. So yeah, this JW is small it is written as small. So when we will open this, it will give us 1 2 3 4 items. Okay, so save this, get jewelry, this is the title, and on press func, we will call this function. Okay, okay, so this will call it, so const category, this was it. And so for dispatching an action from React, we need to import something. We need to import this redux dispatch of, if I'm this get dispatch hook was there. First let's write this from so let's open the documentation and see React redux. Okay, I should click the hooks. Okay, search here, get, now dispatch dispatching actions. Okay, this is for the class-based components. Map, dispatch to props and all. Connect is used in class-based components. We are using function, but things will be same if I'm not wrong. See, dispatch, then directly passing it here, but we will extract it inside a function. So first let's find dispatch. Where is it? I'm not sure this is it. Is it? Let's go inside the APIs. Hooks. Yeah, use dispatch. This is it. Okay. So we need to import it like this. Use selector. So use selector is, I guess, for getting the state. Yeah. For getting the state we use selector. And then use dispatch for dispatching function. Okay, first let's copy it. So use selector and use dispatch. So use selector will be used for getting the state, current state from the store, redux store, and use dispatch will be used for dispatching actions. Okay, so use dispatch. How do we use it? Like this, and then we simply do this. Okay, great. So I had done it multiple times, that's why I can do it so easily. Use dispatch. Okay, and then we will do this const dispatch and then dispatch it with the, we will dispatch it using this action. Where is actions? Yeah, product fetch. Okay, so we will need to do action types and then product fetch. Okay, and then we will give a category. Cool. So what I'm saying that whenever we will, I will explain later it. I will just explain a little bit. So whenever we'll do action dot product fetch category, it will go here and then it will return us this. The type will be this and the payload will be category. Okay, now this will be intercepted by the saga, which I will explain later on in this video only. So this will simply dispatch on being pressed, and yeah, we need to just dispatch it and we can get the access of the current products using the use selector hook. Use selector. So but I'm not sure how my state will look like, so I will be printing my state first. Console.log state. Okay, and then I will return something apple. Of course I need to redo it. Okay, button view and products. Let's see what happens. Okay, so text needs to be there. Cool. So first delete this. Now get jewelry. So now when I will click get jewelry, then this thing will be dispatched. Okay, product fetch category. Now this thing will be evaluated like this. Payload, inside the payload, and the type and payload will be there. Okay, now when we will get this, So we will get this from just highlighted this, and now this whole will be called dispatched. So in actuality what we are doing, we are just dispatching this. Now this will be intercepted by the saga product fetch action type dot product fetch. Okay, action, this will be intercepted, take every dispatch will be intercepted, which will be of this type. Okay, now this type, and we will then call the fetch product function here. Action and payload, this is our complete action, which is of which will this action object has type and payload, which we can see from here, type and payload. Okay, and then what we will extract the category payload dot category, which we can see from here, payload dot category. This thing is coming from here. Okay, ES6 syntax. Okay, payload dot category, and then we will call our function. We will then dispatch again product fetch success, which we will which will be caught by the reducer here, and reducer will update our things, and then it will update the store. Now the cycle is there, right? The cycle is there. So component interaction by user, these are different action types, they go into reducers, and then store is updated component re-renders. Okay, now between here only, this the highlighted part, between here only what happens, middleware comes into picture. MW middle and middleware comes into picture, which is our redux saga. Why we are doing using redux saga? To catch the asynchronous fetching request. Okay, so let's see what comes here. Let's open our console also. So yeah, so we can see that nothing will come, obviously. Of didn't expect an error here, but is no such file or directory users dev react redux cc localhost. Oh, hooks can be called inside the function body. You must be breaking the rules of hooks. You might have. Okay, so must be breaking the rules of hooks. Okay. So huge dispatch. Okay, so what the thing is, what I'm doing wrong here. Inside a regular JavaScript function, I'm dispatching a hook. Like I'm using a hook, React hook. This is not allowed. Okay, so nothing can be done as of now. What we can do is we can use effect hook. Inside the use effect we can then call dispatch. Let's see if that works, because rest is fine, right? Rest comes out to be fine. So let's use effect hook of the React, which will be called only when the get jewelry is pressed. So what I'm thinking, that when we press it, then something becomes true or false, and then on the basis of that use effect will be called. But that is not right. That won't work actually, because whatever I'm thinking, that also will be going through function only. So This button is unnecessary. This button now becomes unnecessary. And what I will do, whenever this will run for the first time, so use effect, whenever this will be run for this will run for the first time, it will call. Now what is happening? Hooks can only be called inside the body of a function account. This could happen, but I'm using hooks inside. When this component will be rendered first, state Apple products category, use dispatch, then dispatch, because the error is that only, I'm sure, because I have got this error previous sometime back also, like a few months back also I got this error. Dispatch action types dot product fetch category, use dispatch. Oh, okay, so I need to put this out. Now it will work. Why is it giving so much? It is going to first stop this. Let's see what error was coming. Action types dot default dot fetch product is not a function. Okay, action types dot default, and then okay, again and again only. Action types dot default. Acha, product fetch. Oh my god. Array. We like shit. See, I was needed to call this product fetch, which needs to be imported from actions folder. Okay, that I was doing wrong. Okay, let's write it product. If it's come into auto import, yes, now this will work perfectly. See, good, great. No, acha, it is not working only. So npm start. First start the server, then start this iOS. Please God, don't give me new error. Error. Okay, I've got some new error. Failed to bid. We ran xcode command, but it existed. Exited. Build. Let's comment this out for some time. Okay, I will resolve this error and will be starting from here only after some